Hello friends, since I had this 5 overripe bananas, we will make instant banana walnut cake loaf. So this can be eaten as a bread or as a cake. For that I will peel the bananas first. It's not compulsory to use 5 ripe bananas only. You can use 3 or 4 bananas as well. Now we'll mash the peeled bananas. A fork also. Once all the bananas are mashed, we will take 1 cup brown sugar and add little in the banana and beat with an electric beater till all the sugar is mixed. Now we are going to add in this 3/4 cup sunflower oil. You can take olive oil or canola oil, and we'll again add little, mix the oil. The oil is full combined in the banana mixture. Now we will keep this aside. Now we will prepare the dry ingredients. For that we take a bowl and keep the sieve in it and add 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1 cup all-purpose flour. This is a special French flour which is very good for cakes, cookies and breads. 1½ teaspoon baking powder, 1½ teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon vanilla powder. Now we are going to sieve the dry ingredients. Sieving is very important for all the dry ingredients as they all get mixed up evenly, and the baking powder, baking soda will mix in the flour evenly and it will give a good bake. You can use pecan nuts in place of walnuts or any other nuts of your choice like almonds, cashews or pistas. I have used 35.6% pure milk chocolate. You can replace it with pure dark chocolate as well. Now we are going to add the banana mixture little by little in the dry ingredients and mix it with a spatula. We are not going to beat it. You have to just fold the banana mixture in the dry ingredients. So we'll add little at a time and go on mixing. Now we'll take this pan. This is 1 kg pan and put the parchment paper in this. You have to prepare this and keep it first. Grease it with oil. Batter in the pan on all sides. After putting the mixture, we'll just tap the tray and sprinkle the remaining walnuts, the chocolate chunks. I have set the oven to preheat at 180 degrees for 10 minutes. Now we are going to bake this cake for 25 to 30 minutes. Now we are going to check the cake. The cake seems to be baked perfectly and you can see the toothpick has come out clean. So now our banana cake is ready. Now we have to cool it completely. Slice the loaf once it's cooled down completely and you can just reheat it for 30 seconds before serving, as banana loaves or banana cake is tastier if it is a little warm. And enjoy banana cake with tea and coffee. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and family and don't forget to comment about the recipe. Thank you.